Alright, what is going on YouTube? Hope you guys had a great Thanksgiving and a good start to your Monday. In this video I want to talk a little bit about my initial thoughts on the CTS high flow downpipe that I recently installed. I was going to do the video a lot sooner, but I wanted to get, at least 500 miles on the downpipe before giving you my thoughts. So a little bit more in depth. I've had the CTS downpipe for about 500 miles now, and I have that paired to the CTS Resonator Delete. So the car sounds A1 right now. It is fairly quiet when cruising. You don't really hear it that much. There's no drone. I'd say there's only drone maybe in first gear, like between like 2000 RPM or so, like around there. It's like very, very slight, but only in first gear. Other than that, the car sounds great, and when you get on it, like full throttle, it sounds amazing. I am using the Vibrant J spacer with the middle insert, so that's been working really well so far, and I think it's a really high quality piece that I definitely recommend you guys using if you guys looking for aftermarket downpipe and don't want to deal with that check engine light without being tuned. Alright guys, so as far as the installation part of the downpipe goes, I'd say it took around an hour and a half to 2 hours, including the Resonator Delete part. And honestly, like the hardest part was just to get the stock downpipe out, only because you have to twist and turn it like a certain way just to get it out. It's kind of it's really tight in there, without having to loosen up anything else. But once the stock downpipe is out, the aftermarket downpipe CTS goes in really easy, and it's just a straightforward install from there. The O2 bung is basically right where the turbo is, and the cat is basically right at the end of the downpipe. So it's different than a lot of other aftermarket downpipes, but with the Vibrant spacer, everything is really smooth and there's no check engine lights going on. So Vibrant has definitely a nice quality piece. As far as the performance side of it goes, you could definitely hear more turbo noise, more turbo spooling, which is definitely a nice plus. You can definitely feel a little bit more shove, more pull from the car. It's a lot smoother. Now it's not crazy gains. You're not gonna, be like, oh my god, so much more power. But it's definitely something that's noticeable. And I'm just getting the car ready for, the tuning. So I have everything basically trying to get all the bolt-ons ready to go. That way when I go in for tuning, my car is set. Right now I'm driving to the gym, about to get the gains. If you guys have not tried Rain pre-workout, it's pretty good. Go ahead, give it a try, and let me know how it goes for you in the comments. But it gets me pretty lit, and I'm ready to go and hit this chest workout. I am on 95 South. Now for those of you guys who live in Northern Virginia, you know what I'm talking about. It doesn't really matter what time you're driving on this. This shit is always a parking lot. Always stop and go. Doesn't matter what day of the week, doesn't matter weekend, weekday, night, day, morning, doesn't matter. This thing is always packed. Thank you for watching. Go ahead and subscribe if you're not subscribed, and turn on the post notifications, and I will catch you guys in the next video.